Simplifying, 11 minus 3 square divide 10 equals to 625 to the power x. So left side is very simple. 11 minus 3 square means 9, divide 10. So this 625 to the power x we will decide later. 625 to the power x will be unchanged. Now 11 minus 9 should be 2 and here is 10. Now this one we can write 5 to the power 4. We know 5 times 5 is a 25, again 5 times 5 is a 25, 25 times 25 is a 625. So 5 to the power 4 x, and here we can divide 1 and by here is 5. So 1 by 5 equals to 5 to the power 4 x. 1 by 5 we can write as per negative exponent 5 to the power minus 1 equals to 5 to the power here 4x. So similar base, so power will be equal, minus 1 equals to 4x. So we can write x equals to 1 by 4 and here should be minus. It means minus 1 by 4. This is our answer. Thank you.